Hi everyone, I'm super excited today. I got my first Influenster VoxBox, and it's the TLC VoxBox, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. So it comes in this little box, little package, super awesome, and when you open it up, you see first thing the Influencer card letting know that this is the TLC VoxBox for moms of the Influencer Nation, and on the back it gives you your instructions how to log into your profile, check in your VoxBox, and then check your email. And it also has a product card, and on the product card it has everything that's in your VoxBox and prices and all your hashtags for your social media. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. First thing we have is the Puffs Pocket Pack lotion, and I'm really excited about this. It's the Puffs Plus lotion, and my son has really bad allergies, so it's a really good thing for me to have these in my purse, in the car, in his room, everywhere I can have them, because we're constantly on the go and he's constantly having a runny nose. So this is awesome to have, and anytime I can get these for free is even better. The next thing, again, really excited about this product. It's the Neo2Go Neosporin Spray Antiseptic, and I actually, my cat scratched me this morning, so I'm excited to bust this thing open and go ahead and start using it, because we have a kitten now and my kids are wanting to pick her up and play with her and drag her around, and she's not so sure how she feels about that all the time, so they're getting scratches and stuff, and the antiseptic spray will be great to keep on hand. Then we have the Breyers Gelato Indulgences. It's a new product by Breyers, and this is a coupon to try it for free. So we're going to go get that probably later today. So it's going to be really awesome. My kids and I are probably going to really enjoy it. So probably go like Publix or wherever. Then they went old school. Ivory bar soap. I can tell you, I have not used Ivory bar soap since I was probably a child. So it's going to be really great to open this up and start using it and seeing if it's like the Ivory I remember, and if it's still a great product, which I'm sure it is, because they wouldn't still be making it after all these years if it wasn't a great product. Then we have the Avon A New Renewalist Complete Renewal Express Wrinkle Smoother. Now, I'm in my 30s, and I'm getting some fine lines and wrinkles, especially around my eyes from smiling and laughing and playing with my kids. And I'm going to go ahead and bust this sucker open. And I've been looking for a product that would help reduce some of those fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm hoping that this can be something that will work. So when you open it up, it comes in this reflective case, maroon packaging, and it slides open, and it smells almost like a cappuccino latte type smell, kind of vanilla-y and mocha smell, and it says that you slide open, gently pat onto skin, do not rub, use fingertips to apply directly on wrinkles, over moisturizer or makeup. So goes right here, my little smile lines, and on the inside of my eye. Let's go ahead and pat that in. Let's do it on this side too. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know how this product works out for me, because it will be my go-to product for a while. See if it really helps. The last thing in the Influencer TLC VoxBox is a Shell Fuel Rewards Network card, never pay full price again. And what it is, it's a rewards program where you use your card when you're out dining or you're shopping at the mall, and apparently all of your purchases go towards your Shell Fuel Rewards, so you can get your gas at a discount price. So it'll be interesting to sign up for this program, see if it really helps cut down gas prices. Again, we're always on the go, so I'm always driving somewhere. And this will be a really fun thing to try out and see if I really like the program. So that's what's in my TLC VoxBox this month. And like I said, it's my first VoxBox, so I'm really excited to try it out, to use the products, to share it on my social media sites. These products are complimentary from Influenster for testing purposes, and so I received them free. If you're interested in getting a VoxBox, go to Influenster. It's INFLUCENST. I can't even spell it right now. It's INFLUENSTER.com. Sign up and you can complete surveys and get badges, and all of those things go toward getting you in a VoxBox. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy the video.